Hey everyone, I'm Sam with Eagle Creek, and today we'll be checking out the Packet Reveal Trifold Toiletry Kit. You can hang it anywhere, like a towel rack or doorknob, for easy access to all your toiletries. It has tons of internal pockets, which keep all your things organized, like this top zippered mesh pocket, these two elastic loops, which are great for things like your toothbrush, these elastic pockets, which are perfect for smaller bottled items like shampoos and lotions, and this larger bottom pocket also has internal organization. It's all designed so that when you hang it, you have easy access to your toiletries without anything falling out. All the zippers are super durable and self-repairing, so you never have to worry about overstuffing or split zippers. Also, it has these awesome climbing rope inspired pulls, which make it super easy to grab the zipper and give it a fun outdoor aesthetic. The main body fabrics are made from 100% recycled post-consumer materials, and it's washable and water resistant, making it great for any accidental lotion or shampoo explosions. And the top handle makes for easy grab and go. The Packet Reveal Trifold Toiletry Kit is responsibly built and covered by our lifetime warranty. It's a must-have for big trips or extended stays.